Eliminate timing belt squeals and slippages and extend the life of your belts with belt dressing from the WD-40 Specialist Automotive range. WD-40's belt dressing is designed to penetrate the cord fibres to restore flexibility and pliability. It's effective on ribbed belts, V-belts and cogged belts and will not only silence slipping or squealing but prevent it happening in the first place. Apply your belt dressing with the engine running. Shake the can well, attach the yellow straw and spray the product lightly on the inner working surface of the belt, near the smallest or upmost pulley. Avoid spraying the pulley directly. After running the engine for several minutes to set the dressing, it can be reapplied as needed. Maintaining your belt properly means longer life for your timing belt and helps reduce the need for frequent replacement. Enjoy extended belt life and quiet operation and maintain your belts with belt dressing from the WD-40 Specialist Automotive lineup.